A relational database consists of data and information organized into different tables. These tables are used to define a specific single group of information, like a table of customers for a business or a table of products that a business sells. These tables of data and information are linked by what we call a data relationship, which specifies that a column in one data table contains the same kind of information as a column in another table. This is Ben. He's creating a relational database for his new bicycle store. For Ben to be able to link his customers to their bicycle transactions, he's decided to use the one-to-many data relationship. A one-to-many data relationship is the most common relationship used when creating a relational database. It is when one row or primary key in one table is linked to multiple rows or foreign keys in another table. Because Ben has chosen to use a one-to-many data relationship in his database, he is able to clearly see the link between his customers and their multiple transactions, instead of going through each table manually in an attempt to make the connection himself. Good choice, Ben. The information that will then be gained from the database relationships will then allow Ben to formulate a report that will be emailed to his customers. Now, Ben has already chosen the one-to-many data relationship because it will prove to be the most effective method of connecting information within his database. But what about the other data relationships that can be used in other databases to link information together? Well, there are 3 different types of data relationships that can be used to prevent the inconsistent entry of data into a database. These are the one-to-many relationship, which was previously explained, the one-to-one relationship, and the many-to-many relationship. Each relationship has a different characteristic and can be used in a different number of database systems. A one-to-one relationship involves a row in one table being associated to one and only one row in another table. An example of a one-to-one relationship is a student can have only one student number, and a student number can only be assigned to one student. However, this is not a regularly used relationship within a database, because there is usually no need for a one-to-one relationship, as the contents of the 2 tables can be combined into one table. The final relationship that can be used is the many-to-many relationship, which is when one or more rows in one table are associated with one or more rows in another table. For example, a many-to-many relationship is a table of customers purchasing many products, and many customers purchasing a product. Although this data relationship can be used, it is not usually allowed to be used within a relational database design. So we can see now that Ben has made the right choice. He has chosen the one-to-many relationship for his database, which will now allow him to clearly see which bicycles he has for sale, track the business's frequent customers and transactions, and eventually formulate a detailed report combining all this exciting information to be emailed to his bicycle enthusiast customers.